Hi, I'm Brian from Tennant Company, and in the next few minutes, I'll give you a brief demonstration of the Tennant 800 ride-on sweeper. The 800 is the largest and most powerful machine in its class, designed to sweep heavy concentrations of industrial debris, pellets, rocks, and glass found in the harshest industrial and manufacturing environments, both indoors and out. The 800 sweeper's rugged steel T-beam superstructure, bend-resistant steel back wheel bracket, and optional heavy-duty tower bumpers will stand up to your tough environment. Let me tell you a little bit about how this sweeper works. The direct throw sweeper technology uses a one-piece main brush to throw dirt and debris forward into the hopper. The multi-stage filter system with available HEPA filtration ensures everything down to the minute particles will be captured by your sweeper. The 800 is equipped standard with a 50-inch main sweep brush and a right single side brush like this one, increasing the overall sweep path to 66 inches. With the optional additional left side brush, the sweep path expands to 82 inches. In addition to making your sweeper more productive, the side brush is great for sweeping right up to curbs, storage racks, and walls. After the brushes and vacuums have done their job, the dirt, dust, and debris will be deposited here into this 30 cubic foot hopper, which can be raised up to 6 feet for dumping. Back here is the engine. Your 800 may be equipped with an LPG, diesel, or gasoline engine. This one is an LPG model. The operator compartment features an adjustable suspension seat, power steering, tilt wheel, intuitive controls, and clear sight lines, and can be equipped with an optional overhead guard or enclosed cab with heat and air conditioning to make operating the 800 easy and comfortable to run all day long. The 800 is highly customizable and can be delivered with a range of options, including an enclosed climate-controlled cab, vacuum wand, advanced HEPA filter system, and a wide range of other safety and productivity options. Let me show you how easy it is to operate this machine. While the Tennant 800 is a large, robust sweeper, it's remarkably maneuverable due to its single rear wheel steering. If you're new to Tennant sweepers, spend a few minutes sweeping in an open area to get used to how the sweeper handles. The Tennant 800 steers from a single rear wheel, so it might take a little getting used to. The rear wheel steering is very responsive to the steering wheel movement, and you will find that for such a big machine, the 800 is highly maneuverable. Once you arrive at the space to be swept, it's time to get the brushes and vacs going. The 800's main brush features 2 speeds. We recommend using the normal speed position when picking up general debris and using the faster speed when picking up light litter, as it will improve both litter pickup and hopper loading. Lower the main brush by pressing the main brush switch into the appropriate speed setting. Lower the side brush by pushing the switch into the on position. Turn on the vacuum fan and begin to sweep. When sweeping, you will need to adjust your speed based on the debris you were sweeping up, as well as the complexity and congestion in your area. While the 800 can travel up to 10 miles an hour, it's a good idea to sweep no faster than a person can walk, about 3 to 4 miles an hour. Remember to overlap your brush paths and watch out for any obstructions, and of course, be safe. When the hopper is full, it's time to dump. First, raise the side brush and turn off the main brush. Then, turn off the vacuum fan and head to your dump site. Before dumping, push the filter shaker button. This will activate a 45-second timer, shaking the filter clear of dust. When you are positioned to dump, pull back and hold the hopper lift lever and release it when the hopper is at your desired height. Now, pull down and hold the hopper rollout lever until the hopper is rolled out. Pull and hold the dump door lever to open the door and dump its contents. If you are dumping outdoors, be sure you have positioned you and your machine upwind of your dump site and that you don't raise the hopper any higher than required. This will help keep you and your machine from getting covered in whatever you are dumping. Reverse the process and continue sweeping. When all done, just return to your parking place. Perform a little light maintenance to make sure the sweeper is ready for another hard-working day tomorrow. The Tennant 800, a proven industrial sweeper, is capable of reliably operating in a wide range of harsh environments, indoors and outdoors, and with a wide range of cleaning applications. It is the tough, hard-working machine built for your tough, hard-working environment. To see how the Tennant 800 can perform for you, contact your local Tennant representative or go to tennantco.com to schedule a demonstration.